I better find your love.
Alright guys, so we're in Abu Dhabi. We're starting the vlog right here, right now. First thing I'm getting a plant, the flowers, the tall plant, the fake one. So this is a shopping vlog, so no forward. Yeah, we know what to do already. Like, share and subscribe, so come. Alright, so we're actually going to select the one that we actually want now, because this one here, whew, it's not bad. I'm wondering if it's too short, but I don't like the white and the leaf though. I prefer it was, let me see this one, more like this. But this one is, how much is this one? Alright, hold on, how much is this one? This one is $50. If I'm supposed to choose between this and this, I would get this one, the $50 one, because it have more a natural look. I prefer the leaves. I don't like the leaves on this with the green and white. So I'm thinking, I actually like the one here though, but let's see and think. Alright, we're gonna get the $50 one. Ooh, wish this was 50% off. We're gonna get this one. If anything, me walk and think. If not, if the budget not look reachable for up so, then we're gonna leave that. I have a checklist working with too as well. Ooh, I know I'm gonna need a potter. That's what I was saying. I could get one of the $34 one and put in one of them potter here. How tall will it be? Let's experiment and see what really I go on. How much are these ones at the stand? Hold on. Alright, this is 28, but I need something else. They call it the fake something stuff down there, which looks so scanty. But I'm wondering if I get this one. This one is $19. This one is $17. I'm wondering if I could get, let me see, if I could get this one here with the plant that is a little bit shorter and cheaper. Let's see something. I could work out the calculation. Let's work out the calculation. Alright, these are 16, so I'm gonna get this, the $16.99 to $17, and this one. When I did the calculation, it's just like about $5 more, so it's fine. Okay, now I'm sourcing a new I need a new thing for my vanity. I have this gold one, but it's kind of small, and I need like something new to put the toothpaste in. Babe said the one that I have, the last one you guys saw, was the one that I got, the one from Ross. Babe said too small. The second one at my mind, this would be the third one. Him said too small, so I need another one. So I'm looking at this one. If I should get this one with this white thing, because the one I have is kind of a bit too small. It won't fit everything. So I'm trying to think about it now. And then I need one of these to put the mouthwash in. So okay. Alright, so we're gonna get this round mirror. This big one is $55. This one is $40. I'm gonna get the $40 one for the dining room. I'm gonna get this one right here. But look at the liquor cart. I have everything can't hold in the cart. It's really hard to be navigating this. Oh, I'm gonna get this round mirror. That one is definitely too small. I need like a massive viewing of what I want, so I'm gonna get that one. They're 50% off, so it was $80. Now it is $40. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get this. Oh, it got all the little buggy. Yeah, look here. This is too small to be shopping. This needs two persons to be shopping. Like one man shopping business, yeah. And it look like it's like a workout. Oh god, guys. I see this and I like it, but the color around it, I'm not sure. Even though I have that in the kitchen, that shade for the cupboards. But it says, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24 verse 15. I like this. Or this one say, you will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. I like this one more. Of the length, I have somewhere I could put it, but I wish it was darker on this section. Let's think about it as we walk. Let's think about it. Alright guys, this is the rug. I'm gonna get one of this. I'm gonna get one of those, one of these, and then I need, uh-oh, that has a mess on it. Okay, I'm gonna get this for the front door. I'm gonna get this one, so this is 50% off. I'm gonna get this, and then the thick ones, where are they? I don't see them right now. I'm gonna get that for the front door, and then I'm gonna get the thick, you know, the thing, the matte type. Yeah, these aren't bad, but the white now gonna work out at the front door, so we want the red and the black. All right, I'm gonna look if anything else there I can't use. Guys, a lot of the Christmas outdoor mat them gone. They said probably watching Christmas movies. Is this cute or no? I'm not sure. They say I don't like that. Or Santa Paws stuff here. I know, I was hoping for something that says Merry Christmas. Me in a day hours, yeah. I roll in. Charlie pull the back side. Watch it. Just hoping that they don't. Watch it. Going down a hill and it's moving faster than I am. And I'm done for the night because I'm going to Ross and Burlington. Where's the car? Well, I'm going to Ross and Burlington. Open up, people. On. I'm going to Ross and I'm going to Burlington. Why? Guys, would you believe that the Christmas mat drop off at the Charlie to the Charlie full? Mr. One man say hello, hi, excuse me when we reach the car. Is this your mat? I say yes, but Mr. Watch ya. Watch out, me gonna go home. I don't wonder where the mat there. Come on, remember it, you know? Would remember it, you might have something to buy. Alright, it's 5:39. In a lake, it's just dark. So we're gonna go Walmart because I need a curtain rod. So we need a piece of the curtain rod. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, see if we can get the piece of curtain rod to finish part of the parts some I have, and see if they have curtains that I can use for the living area there. If not, I'm just gonna get the rod in Walmart. I don't want to stay long at Walmart, and then I'll go Ross, Burlington, and then go home. So I'll probably be home by 7:30. I spent $280 a while ago in a Hobby Lobby. That's how much stuff, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, we're going now. So let me talk to you now. So I actually do need something in Dollar Store. Dollar Tree is right here. But think now just stop at Dollar Tree and grab it. I need like the fake, is it what you call it? The fake grass? Is it the moss? Moss? What am I calling moss? Yeah, well, that you use to fill up the like a potter. So you use it to fill up the potter. What the other carrot? I can't see. How close am I to this red van? Okay. I'm not sure if I can parking spot me in here. I'm not sure. It's so dark. And the line there. Okay, me now I can't see a bit. I need like the fake thing that you put in a pot. I will stuff it with paper and then I put it around the top. I'm gonna go grab that quick in the dollar store and come right back. Guys, I made it to Ross and tired is an understatement. I'm extremely tired. I'm about to go home. Like, I wonder if I'm gonna make a Burlington. Tired, man. I'm gonna get this candle for the chest, the gold, and the maybe I want one or something. I'm pretty sure after today, me I fix the mirror. Anything me not use, me I care back. I just feeling out the stuff. I'm not sure what I really want. So that's the reason why. It's nice, but I don't know if to put in this. If it was bigger, I would get this to put on top of the toilet. Because what I have on top of the toilet is through the old school. It starts mold up. I would just start using it. So would that change it? If so tired, man. My foot up bother me, and I'm trying to listen. Make feel like I'm late for the Christmas shopping because the place empty. What say? It's empty. Empty. 7:23. I am almost home, but I'm gonna make a stop at Big Lots. I'm gonna make a stop at the Big Lots beside my house before I go over. I want to get a wall art, hopefully, because as I said, a lot of people seem to buy a lot of stuff in a rush. The rest of them go it empty, and which the other rest on the road always better. But more make up stop at Big Lots. Hope it's a good grab. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired. I'm gonna sleep with last night. I wake up early this morning. So yeah. Guys, the Big Lots. Quick look and out. I can have an idea what I look for. If it's not there, I'm not searching for anything else. I gotta go home. I'm tired. Oh, Big Lots. Can I scan tiptoe? Mercy. Oh my God. Big Lots can't. Hold on there, man. Make a focus. Give me a minute. Want to study this? So this is us trying to do the study. So I agree, like, come on. When you do press the button first, or you have to press it over. See, they want to study this. So. I thought, so you're not a movie. Not study this. So.
Study also.
This is us. Watch out. Watch out. Right here. This is us trying to put up the mirror from Hobby Lobby. Watch out. From Hobby Lobby, and you see the intermission? When you see the big intermission? When you see the big intermission? Eh? We tell you about mother football, you know. We tell you about them. Anyways, we have to just hang and wait. Because even have to put up the mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna get one pencil. Then I'm gonna need one pencil for mark. Try to organize the dining room. Let's try as best as to get the circle mirror in at the center, but it can't go in at the center. It's a little bit away from one side because the stud is not in the center of the board. So they a little bit inches one side more, so I'm gonna roll up my tape measure and see somebody coming. Alright, so let me do the measurement. Be lock up the door there for me. I do the measurement to see how far it is from one side. So alright, so from there to there it's 24 inches. Let's check the other side to see how far. And then from here to there, you see it is 116. So it there over to one side a little bit more. You know, little bit kind enough. But if you not come to my yard and if me never tell you, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. So I'm gonna make it work. Me not have a choice. I want the mirror here so look come head back when you look bad. Look buddy. So make me hairdresser. Start me out to my husband. Yeah. But if I never tell you, you wouldn't know. Little bit, but All right, so that is that. We're gonna put up the flowers, and then we're gonna put up the flowers. I need to go on the road to get the curtains. We're gonna dust down on everything because, as I said, I want done the dining room today and finish fix up. Oh, babe, I have one more thing for borrow.
I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna go. I don't really wanna stay. But I don't wanna. Can we get it together? Get it together. You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to.
Alright guys, so I got my hair and I wanted to open it with you guys because I really want to look what the hair look like, and I'm so excited to install this hair. So I got it from Amazon. Today is Sunday and it got delivered today on a Sunday. Alright, so it is choosy reddish brown. Look at them. They came in this bag with a zip tie. Okay, we're pulling off the zip tie, pulling the bag. I'm so excited to see this here. So excited to wear it. Hopefully it matches my expectations. All right, so it came with edge brush with a little comb on it. It came with a holding lace band. It came with HD wig cap. It came with a card that said thank you for being with us. Thanks. And it has like details to the hair inside, how to really take care of the hair. Okay, it's 12 inches and I'm so excited. I'm excited. All right, good girl. So reddish brownish hair. All right, so it is, what is it, kinky curl? Just a curl. I don't remember buying them. It is, I think it's 180 density. I'm so excited to try this here. Few clothes, yes. It look cut like they razored the end. Look like they razored the end. Why the end look like it got razored? Like they cut the end. I don't like how the end look natural. You see? You can see that they cut the end. Okay. Is it pre-plucked? Looks, yeah, it look a bit ish. It looks fine a little bit. You know, the earline is so thick, but I don't like how you can see so them cut the end. You see, like a scissors cut end. All right. So 12 inches. It's 12 inches. I don't like how the end look. I'm not gonna tell a lie. I have to tell the truth. The end that give me the end part. I don't like how the end that give me. I'm saying this is gonna look for me like one thing is gonna go on. I don't like how the end part of the ear. The end of the ear. But I have a newish smell, but the end of the ear, man. The ending of the ear look. But we're gonna see it go on with it. Well, let's see what we'll put on. It don't look like 12 inches though. This is not 12 inches. You know. Every time I buy ear, I must get me seeing that. But it don't look like 12 for you. But I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try it. So I got this here from Amazon. Alright. The end though, you can see for them cut it with a scissors or whatever they do. Alright people, actually I'm gonna run on the road now. I want to see if I get the curtains for the inside this area. This is no longer a sunroom, you know. This is my dining room, my dining area. So I'm gonna see if I get the curtains for my dining area. I really wanted to finish this section of the house. But I want to stay longer after 3 now. So we're up on the road right now. And the house stay, I say just stay. I have a return to do at Walmart. Will I make it to Walmart? I don't know. I'll try. So I'll bring the curtains. I started putting out some of the decoration and stuff. Other decorative pieces and stuff. As you can see, babe put up the back piece. I'm gonna get the lights to put over that to light up the city in the night. I think that would be so cute. That is so pretty. I was like hesitant in purchasing that piece. Like when I see over there, so last night I was so hesitant, but I'm happy I did. I'm happy I got that one. It just fit in right there. So alright, we want to hurry up and come back to forget the curtain so we can vacuum in here so I'll finish with in here. So watch your scroll him. If I did I say no, watch him. What am I look for? I'm but an acorn trees. An acorn. Whole fat gone. Yeah, so yeah, me I watch the squirrel at top, but the squirrel is my favorite spot to really look out the door. So I'm really considering getting the table, like with somebody else, I'm collecting a little table for do editing and whatever right here. The space is actually there in the area, so I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it. But let's see, I'm thinking about here or there. So let's see. We're up on the road now, so I'm gonna come on. I'm gonna put on cover up and so I'm gonna cover up myself and stuff because I don't know the weather cold. Yeah. In TJ Maxx with the cute finds. You know, love an easy situation at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna get this. It's so cute. It's $7. I'm gonna get it, but I'm still looking for the curtains. Russ never do me well, so I'm still hunting. I spent my entire evening searching for a curtain, and innocent want something in here, but I'm not go back and cash it out. I'll be like tomorrow. I spent my entire evening looking for 96 inches curtain. I only found one in Ross, but it was too thin, and no. Tomorrow we're going to try Burlington. If not, we have to just make something work. We just have to go make something work. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted. I'm tired. I got no ice scraper and look for any ice from my car. I need to get one of these from the dollar store this evening. My car just clear one little space so I can see. So by the time the car eat up, this is crazy. I can't. I just have to clear a little space. I can't let I'm wait till the car eat up. To no man, this serious afraid. This is so crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. And the wiper not start, so me I hope that see that. So me I try to make it melt. Okay, it start melt now. Look there. Look at the ice coming off. Okay, find one, we get. So we need a ice scraper then. We need an ice scraper. I'm gonna get one at the dollar store when I get home. A piece of paper told me if you scratch out the little space and we could have see something. We could have sung away upon that. So in the area that I work, there's this big lot, and I decided I'm gonna check it out to see what they have. You know, you go to different locations of the same store, sometimes you get better styles, better deals. So let's go. I'm picking up this board for the kitchen, and I like these, but why are they $10? If I go Hobby Lobby and see them have them on sale, I carry this back. Like what? $10 for this, but I like it. I think it could be cheaper. Is something, huh? Made it to Burlington, and why is it that the curtains are almost $40? Like this $35 for 96 inches. This is crazy, crazy. At this point, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Oh, guys, the back of my car is filled with everything that I got today. I think today I got things that I really wanted. So I got the curtains. The curtain them there though. I paid like about $70 for the two curtains. Like, it's so hard to find the curtains. Like, it's so annoying. It's so everything. You see why may I try to get rid of the work here, the cleaning work and the whole fix up for trying my best to get rid of the cleaning over the Thanksgiving break here, because me now gonna use my weekends and do it. It takes so much to go to shop, to go to walk up and down. Like, my foot hurt me right now. I'm just exhausted. I'm gonna rest a bit, and then I am going to iron the curtains because I have a what you call it now? I have a thing deficit. What you call that now? Boy. Like, you know, like you normally do something and you see you're not gonna do it and then you end up doing it. What you call that? Why the brain foggy? Yeah, I tell you. Yeah. When we forget it, I'll leave in the comment section. So if you guys know me from Jamaica days, I do not put up my curtains unless they are ironed. Since we come here from, well, we moved into the house August. We've been here for July, but we lived there since August. Since we're there from August, the curtain in the bedroom, them no iron. And me look upon them every day. So me I go iron them and watch them people gonna make the light. Cha! So annoying. Like, I don't know how people can see the light on green and not want to move, or them barely a move. Like, come on, time away, man. Come on, time away. Sure. Brought me whole thought and conversation with that set now. Yeah. Sure. I don't know about but me always I try to catch the green light because I'm in and out. No slow business. Yeah. People the curtain they hang up there from August. No, November done. They're not iron, and is it that I'm okay with the curtains being up and not iron? No. Every day I see them remember that me, but we just too lazy to take them down and iron them. I just can't bother. But nope. So they might come down still. I'm gonna put other curtain there. They might come down. Oh God, I'm tired. See, I'm tired, man. Tired body. Guys, I'm gonna go up, we'll start out the curtain them, and then just start out everything I buy. I have some few stuff for me, like when I buy, I'm not sure if all them are work, so I'm gonna go try them and then see how them start out. If not, we're gonna make a return from them there. Like, yeah, something I get from Hobby Lobby when I don't want that and I don't need it, so I care about. Not today, though. I wish me did that Jamaica, but that one, well, for sure. Well, I don't know. Well, I just wish our juicy beef did that somewhere here. Some of that one juicy beef cheese patty right now. One hot juicy beef cheese patty. What me have here? Why? I have a bus like a gas, like a cup soup. I mean, this is the bottom of it, but man, I tell you, when hungry hits, you gotta slap up something fast like this. Jaja, I'm actually drinking the water too. I know cup soup not good for you, but I just want them quick something there. Put up the curtains and me really love them. Me not regret the $70 for the set of curtain, for the 4-piece of curtain. However, me not gonna show no because me gonna leave it. Me not gonna show no nothing, anything else I'm doing in the area. Me not gonna show no because I want to do a tour. Oh my god, I am so in love with it. The only thing I'm see is that beer bore one part of the whole look higher than one. So a little bit lean. Me have to show him and see if we fix it. You're so miserable. No. Already something I dropped this so. Let me look. Let's check. Hold on. Lean. The two it's so long. I buy the rod in a piece sections. So I'm showing you. Alright, up there so and I lean. Right now the section I can have a dip. So I'm gonna make babe install one more hook holder we can brace it up right in here so. But I'm not gonna show you the full of the curtain, so yeah. Alright guys, so I got home and today was a half day, which was good. The holiday officially started today. So I'm home, I go eat food. I'm gonna have I'm gonna care for lunch. I'm gonna get to eat lunch because it's a half day. So like you're out pretty early. So I am going to eat the food. Actually, I edit the vlog here. I'm at the end of editing. I'm just tired. I'm tired. The vlog here, me just tell us I'm tired. I'm tired for sure. I'm tired, but just I do what I have to do. I have a nail appointment at 2 o'clock, so I should be leaving out soon to go do that. So I'm going to catch up by my ear for do that. But in the meantime, I'm going to just relax. I'm not going to do nothing. I was like, I was going to come home and finish up the go and do my hand in the living room. But I'm going to eat the food. I'm going to watch some video on my phone and just put up the vlog on phone. And then that's about it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I don't know how I'm going to manage vlogmas, but I'm not going to disappoint, you know. John, I'm tired, you know. Alright, later. See you in the next vlog. Take care.